Hello, my friends. I am Marietta, and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today is a very special day where I made a gift for a friend. She's a neighbor, and she's been the most wonderful neighbor. I have the most amazing neighbors anyway, all of them really so supportive, and I can't say enough about them. But Michaele showed her friendship in an amazing way when I really needed a friend. A year ago, I think I came down with COVID. I got really sick after a New Year's party on the 1st of 2020. At that time, COVID really wasn't known, and I could not get out of bed for a week and a half or more. I was sick for 5 weeks, and I lost my sense of taste, and I just felt horrible. It took me even longer to recover the taste. It took me months, really. So Michaele decided that she was going to take care of me, and she made me food and left the food at the front door and called me, made sure I was doing okay, and she really cared, and I so appreciate that. So I made this piece for her. I was supposed to do it for her birthday, but it came and went, and I got really busy with my artwork for exposures, and so I just finally made it, and she is so deserving. So I want to show it to you. Her favorite colors are turquoise and orange, and so I incorporated those in there, and I put a lot of shine and a lot of glitz in there. She's a glitzy girl, and so I just really hope she likes it. Make sure you stay till the end because I am going to video her reaction. So let's go ahead and watch the video, and I'll see you after. Michaele, here is your piece.
This is Dear Michaele, from my wonderful, thoughtful, and giving friend, a token of my gratitude. Love, Marietta. That's so sweet. Oh my God. Oh, it's beautiful, and you go this way. It's all my colors. It's gorgeous. Right? Yes.
Those colors.
It's
so I just
stunning.
My style of it.
Yes, and you need to help me with my resins because I'm getting bubbles in them, even with the heat gun. But anyway, this is beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. How could you not love anything that you did? It's gorgeous. It really is.
Good.
So sweet. I'm so happy.
I hope you enjoyed Michaele's reaction. It was pretty fun. She is one fun person. I look forward to showing you more. Until the next time, thank you so much.